You're holding something that produces electricity in soil that's over 2,000 years old. A small clay jar is pulled from the ground in ancient Iraq. At first, it doesn't look important. Just pottery, broken, forgotten. But when it's cleaned, something unusual appears. Inside the jar is a hollow copper cylinder, and running through the center, an iron rod. Not random pieces, not debris, but a structured assembly. Now here's where it gets strange. If you fill this jar with an acidic liquid, like vinegar or a similar solution, it can produce a small electrical charge. Not enough to power anything large, but enough to create a measurable current, a functioning electrochemical reaction, a battery. But this object is not modern. It is dated to over 2 millennia ago, long before electricity was understood, long before batteries existed in recorded science. So, now the question shifts. Some researchers believe it may have been used for electroplating gold onto objects. Others suggest it had a symbolic or unknown ritual purpose. And some argue it was never intended to generate electricity at all. But that explanation creates a problem, because every component inside this object is intentional. The copper, the iron, the sealed clay structure, all arranged in a way that produces a predictable physical reaction, which raises a difficult question. Was this discovered by accident, or engineered with understanding we didn't expect them to have? Because if it was truly functional, then someone understood principles of electricity thousands of years before the modern world defined them. And that changes the way we look at history entirely. So the question isn't just what this object is, it's what else may have been understood and later lost.